Yes, Veda. Good morning, everybody. Put today's date on the chapter. Should we begin, Beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see Ranga's marriage. This is a story about Ranga, and he was the accountant's son, and he got the opportunity to go out of the village to do his further studies. Okay. And when he returns back, everybody comes and just sees whether he had changed or not. Now the narrator of the story, uh, when he meets Ranga, he finds out his perception about marriage and all. And Shyama was not satisfied on listening to Ranga's perceptions about marriage. Who is B. Singh Rathod? Your full name B. Singh Rathod. Hurry up, otherwise I'll remove it within a minute. I'm asking who is B. Singh Rathod? कौन है ये बी सिंह राठौड़? भवानी? Okay, fine. So when he finds out about the ideas, when he comes to know about the ideas of Ranga's marriage, he somewhat does not like Ranga, he's not interested in marriages and all. And what are the reasons behind this? So anyhow, he determines to change Ranga's perceptions about him, uh, and he plays an important role in getting Ranga married. Finally, in the end of the story, we'll come to know how he succeeds, okay, in his plan in getting him married to a beautiful and understanding girl, okay. And the entire story, it has got many funny instances also, and references, somewhat strange references, okay, that are being made by the narrator. समझ में आया रंगा's मैरिज का? ये समझ
Yes,
में आया?
ma'am.
इट इज वेरी शॉर्ट समरी दैट आई एम टेलिंग यू, ओके. जो परसेप्शन होता है ना उसका, दिमाग में जो आइडियाज होते हैं अबाउट मैरिज, वो टोटली डिफरेंट होते हैं. तो जो नरेटर होता है ना बेटा, ही डिड नॉट लाइक इट, and he wanted that Ranga, he was a very good boy and he wanted him to get married to a good girl. लेकिन जब वो सुनता है कि he is not interested in marriages and all, okay, in getting married, तो वो क्या करता है कि he just plans something, और finally he was successful in changing Ranga's perception, है ना. उसके perceptions change हो जाते हैं लास्ट में. Narrator was successful in his plans, or finally he gets him married to a beautiful girl, Ratna. Clear? Okay. Should we begin now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ranga, the accountant's son, is one of the rare breed among the village folk who has been to the city to pursue his studies. Now, the writer, when he begins the narrator, okay, he says Ranga, who was the accountant's son, is one of the rare breed. Rare, that is very uncommon, okay, among the kind. So he was not a very common boy or a man who went to the city to do his studies, okay, for further studies. Pursue means to continue. When he returns to his village from the city of Bangalore, the crowds mill. Mill means gathers around his house to see whether he has changed or not. His ideas about marriage are now quite different, or are they? Now, what happens? When he returns back, all the village people, they mill, they gathered around his house to see whether he had changed or not. Many years back, better, uh, going out of the village, going out of the town to bigger places, okay, like Bangalore and all, it was considered something extraordinary, okay. और people जो थे वो superstitious भी होते थे, narrow minded भी होते थे. उन्हें लगता था if a child is sent to some other place, okay, some other uh, city for further studies, a child may change, a person may change. ठीक है. तो यही सब देखने के लिए what happens when Ranga he returns from Bangalore, तो सारे villagers they come to his house to see whether he has changed or not. Why? Because he went outside to continue his studies. And his ideas about marriage are now quite different. और writer कहते हैं जो उसके ideas हैं marriage के बारे में वो same हैं या different हैं, that we will find in this chapter. So when you see this title, some of you may ask Ranga's marriage, why not Rangnatha Viva or Rangnatha Vijaya? Now listen carefully. Well, yes, I know I could have used some other mouth filling one like Jagannatha Vijaya or Girija Kalyan. Okay. Now the writer says when you're going to see to this title, many of you may ask Ranga's marriage. Why Ranga's marriage has been given the title? The title should have been Rangnatha Vivaha or Rangnatha Vijaya. Means Rangnatha is the name of the god. Okay. And he says that any other attractive or mouth-filling title I could have used like Jagannatha Vijaya or Girija Kalyan. But then this is not about Jagannatha's victory or Girija's wedding. अब कहते हैं कि भाई आप सोच सकते हो कि रंगनाथा विजया या रंगनाथा विवाह, why the title has not been given. यदि मैं चाहता तो some other attractive title जगन्नाथा विजया या जगन्नाथ गिरिजा कल्याण title I would have given if it had been, if the story would have been related to God. समझ में आया? यदि स्टोरी भगवान से रिलेटेड होती तो I would have given this name, but it is not anything related to God. जगन्नाथा या गिरिजा वेडिंग के बारे में कुछ भी नहीं है. It is about our own Ranga's marriage. It is about an ordinary boy. और वो कौन है? रंगा's marriage के बारे में स्टोरी है. So no fancy title. Khushali is a village. Now, before he just moves on to the real story, the narrator, he just describes his village. Okay, he's very much proud of his village. तो कहता है Hushali is a village, you must have heard of it. No, what a pity, but it is not your fault. Now he says, he's talking to the readers also when he's narrating the story. So he says Hushali is a village. फिर readers से पूछता है, you must have heard of it. फिर खुद ही जवाब देता है, no, then what a pity, really pitiful it is. फिर वो कहता है रीडर्स को, इट इज नॉट योर फॉल्ट, इट इज नॉट योर मिस्टेक. है ना, हम रीडर्स को कह रहे हैं कि इफ यू हैव नॉट लिसन्ड, okay, if you have not heard about the Hushali village, then it is not your fault. क्यों? There is no mention of it in any geography book. Clear? Why? Because Hushali village, it has not been mentioned in any of the geography books. Those sahibs in England, who are the sahibs in England? Who are the sahibs, beta? Who are the sahibs in England? Yes, Divyan?
Ma'am, 6.
Yes, repeat it, beta.
Ma'am, 6.
Sikh? 6 are the
Ma'am.
sahibs. Manvendra?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is considered to be rich persons.
Rich persons? No. Sahibs in England, he is talking about the Britishers. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
The writer is talking about the Britishers. So he says when the Britishers, they were ruling a country, ना, तो उस समय की बात कर रहे हैं कि those sahibs in England writing in English probably do not know that such a place exists. So make no mention of it. When those sahibs, they were there, they were ruling a country, and when they wrote the geography books in English and everything was written, and when their cartographers, they made the maps and all, they drew the maps and all. So those people, they did not know about Hushali village, and that was the main reason they did not mention it. समझ में आया? अंग्रेजों को नहीं मालूम था हुशाली विलेज के बारे में, इसलिए उन्होंने ज्योग्राफी बुक्स में या किसी भी मैप में they had not mentioned the Hushali village. Got it now? Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Our
ma'am.
own people too forget about it. Clear? So the Britishers, they failed to mention the Hushali village, right? So similarly, what happened? Even our own people, even the Indians, they forgot to mention the Hushali village in the geography books, or they forgot to show it on the maps. समझ गए? जब उन्होंने कोई मेंशन नहीं करा तो बिल्कुल हमने भी ऐसे ब्लाइंड फॉलोअर्स की तरह उन्हें फॉलो कर लिया और हमने भी मेंशन नहीं करा। सी बहुत अच्छा कंपैरिजन दिया। यू नो हाउ इट इज, दे आर लाइक अ फ्लॉक ऑफ शीप। फ्लॉक ऑफ शीप समझते हो ना, भेड़ों का झुंड जो होता है। One sheep
Yes,
walks into a pit, the rest blindly follow it. This happens or not?
Yes,
See,
ma'am.
okay,
yes, ma'am.
one sheep, you know, it falls into the pit. What happens? Even the other sheep, they fall into the pit. Similarly, he says, we Indians are like a flock of sheep. Okay, you take the example, you just see, you might have seen small children when they just move when the assembly is over and they move on to the classes, you know. If any single student among them, you know, does not walk in a straight line and breaks the line and just move on to the other direction, what happens? What happens? The other students, okay, they all follow him blindly. Even they do not walk in a straight line and the line is crooked. टेढ़ी मेढ़ी लाइन हो जाती है।
Yes,
छोटे
ma'am.
बच्चे लाइन ब्रेक करके दूसरी थोड़ा सा दूसरी साइड चले जाते हैं तो क्या होता है, पीछे वाले बच्चे भी बिल्कुल उनको फॉलो करने लगते हैं ना, इंस्टेड ऑफ मेकिंग द लाइन स्ट्रेट। ओके, बड़ी
Yes,
क्रोकेड
ma'am.
लाइन हो जाती है, टेढ़ी मेढ़ी लाइन हो जाती है। तो सिमिलरली वो कहते हैं कि वी इंडियंस आर आल्सो ब्लाइंड फॉलोअर्स, वी आर लाइक फ्लॉक ऑफ शीप। जिस तरह से शीप यू नो बिल्कुल ब्लाइंड फॉलोअर्स होती है कि सपोज इफ वन फॉल्स इनटू अ पिट, पिट क्या होता है, खड्डा, है ना, तो others also they follow the same thing and they also just fall into the pit, right? तो कहते हैं even we Indians are like those. So now he says, see now listen to it very carefully. Those sahibs in England writing in English, probably they did not care to mention about the Hushali village. Why? They must not be knowing about it. Even our own people to forget about it. You know how it is, they are means our own people. He says about the Indians, they are like a flock of sheep. One sheep walks into a pit, the rest blindly follow it. When both the sahibs in England are our own geographers, कहते हैं when both कौन हो गए, those sahibs in England, the Britishers, and our own geographers, okay, our Indian geographers, they have not referred to it. You cannot expect the poor cartographer to remember to put it on the map. समझ में आया? जब वो geographers, British geographers, they did not care to mention the Hushali village. Okay, उसका कोई reference उन्होंने नहीं दिया geography में कहीं पर भी. So same, even our Indian geographers, they followed them blindly and even they did not care to mention about the Hushali village in the geography books. तो हम कैसे expect कर सकते हैं कि हमारा बेचारा cartographer, a poor cartographer, he could mention it in the map. Who is a cartographer? One who makes map. समझ में आया? तो अब उस कार्टोग्राफर को हम क्या ब्लेम करें जब हमारे जोग्राफर्स ही भूल गए, ब्रिटिश जोग्राफर्स ने मेंशन नहीं करा, इंडियन जोग्राफर्स ने मेंशन नहीं करा, तो वी कैन नॉट ब्लेम द पुअर कार्टोग्राफर, कैन यू? सो देयर इज नॉट इवन द शैडो ऑफ अ विलेज ऑन एनी मैप. तो वो कहते हैं कि किसी भी मैप पर राइटर कहते हैं कि देयर इज नॉट इवन अ शैडो, नॉट अ ग्लिम्स, okay, not even the slightest mention of Hushali village will you find in any of the Indian maps. Clear up till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay. Sorry, I started somewhere and then went off in another direction. Now he says sorry to the readers. Why? Because he started with the Ranga's marriage and he just went on to some other direction. He started talking about something. If the state of Mysore is to Bharatvarsha, what the sweet Kariga Dabu. Kariga Dabu is a sweet of the south, okay, जिसके अंदर filling होती है. Is to a festive meal, then Hushali is to Mysore state what the filling is to Kariga Dabu. Now the narrator, you know, he feels very much sorry. He's very apologetic. you know, for getting carried away. He was all carried away in his emotions of when he started talking about his village and all, and he got somewhat deviated, means he got aloof from the topic. And then he says about the importance of the Hushali village. He says that it is just as important as Mysore is very important to India. Okay, पहले तो मैसूर का जो दशहरा होता था ना बेटा, वो भी बड़ा फेमस था. तो जिस तरह से मैसूर, यू नो, it is very important to India. और फिर बोलते हैं जैसे करीगा डब्बू, the sweet, you know, that is more important, that makes a festival very important. और करीगा डब्बू क्यों important है? क्योंकि उसके अंदर जो फिलिंग होती है उस मिठाई के अंदर, ओके, उसकी वजह से दैट स्वीट इट बिकम्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, इट गेन्स इंपॉर्टेंस, है ना. वो स्वीट की इंपॉर्टेंस क्यों बढ़ जाती है? बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स फिलिंग. ओके, तो वो कहते हैं कि इसी तरह से इवन आ हुशाली विलेज, यू नो व्हाई इट इज फेमस, ही जस्ट वांट्स टू टेल अस. So he says that what I have said is absolutely true. Believe me, I will not object to your questioning it, but I will stick to my opinion. कहते हैं जो मैं जो भी कह रहा हूँ, that is very important. You got the comparison, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Think India is famous because of Mysore and Kariga Dabu. जो मिठाई है वहाँ साउथ की, that is very important, that is very famous. Why? Because of its filling. Okay, उस मिठाई के अंदर जो filling है ना, that makes it important. Clear? तो अब वो बताते हैं कि why even my village, Ushali village, it is considered so important. Why it is so important? I am not the only one who speaks glowingly of Hushali. Now he says, okay, कहते हैं कि आप क्वेश्चन कर सकते हो, but I am going to stick to my opinion कि why my village is so important. कहते हैं कि I am not the only one, okay, I am not the single person जो बड़े proud manner में speak करता है अपने village की. We have a doctor in a place, his name is Gundabhatta, he agrees with me. Now you have somewhat funny name, so just don't laugh. Okay, these are the South Indian names. उनको अपने names funny लगते होंगे. So he says कि हमारे यहाँ एक डॉक्टर है, उनका नाम गुणभट्टा है, and he agree, you know, he agrees with me. He has been to quite a few places. Okay, no, not England. अब वो गुणभट्टा ने कई places visit करी है, and then he just clarifies, no, not England. मतलब he has not gone abroad. England वगैरह नहीं गए, लेकिन उसके अलावा he visited many places. If anyone asks him whether he has been there, he says, no, Ananya, I have left that to you. Running around like a flea-pestered dog is not for me. Okay, flea pestered, pestered is troubled. Okay, so you can write the meaning of pestered dog. A flea pestered dog, you know, it does not stop at a place, but it keeps on moving here and there. Okay, writing it.
Ma'am, written.
ओके, अब फ्ली पेस्टेड क्या होता है बेटा? जानवरों के जो फ्ली होती है ना, वो इन्फेस्टेड होती है. देखते हो कई तरह की फ्ली उनके चिपकी हुई होती है ना, दैट सक्स द ब्लड, यू नो, और उनके क्या अनकंट्रोलेबल इचिंग चलती है, ठीक है, बॉडी
मैम,
में.
फ्ली
तो
कौन होता है?
ओके, इसकी वजह से जो जो इंसेक्ट्स, जो कीड़े होते हैं ना, तुम देखते हो जानवरों के कैसे स्टिक होते हैं ऑन द बॉडी ना.
हाँ मैम, यस
हाँ, तो
मैम.
दे आर सो मच ट्रबल, यू नो, और इतनी इचिंग होती है, दे जस्ट कीप ऑन रनिंग हियर एंड देयर, यू नो, राइट. तो कहते
Yes.
हैं कि हाँ, तो वो कहते हैं कि मैं ना, दिस आई हैव लेफ्ट टू यू. रनिंग अराउंड लाइक अ फ्ली पेस्टेड डॉग इज नॉट फॉर मी, है ना, फ्ली पेस्टेड डॉग की तरह भागना, दैट इज नॉट फॉर मी, मींस आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड टू गो टू इंग्लैंड एंड ऑल, ये डॉक्टर साहब कहते हैं. और वो कहते हैं आई हैव सीन अ फ्यू प्लेसेस इन माय टाइम, तो एज अ मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट ही हैज सीन मैनी. और वो कहते हैं कि आई हैव सीन मैनी प्लेसेस, मतलब कहने का मतलब है राइटर का कि द डॉक्टर सेज दो ही हैड विजिटेड मैनी प्लेसेस बट ही हैड नॉट gone to England and all. Okay, he had seen many places, but the most amazing, the most beautiful place that he finds is Hushali. Now this is the conclusion. Okay, now why Hushali is famous? We have some mango trees in a village. Come visit us, and I will give you a raw mango from one of them. Okay? Do not eat it, just take a bite. The sourness is sure to go straight to your Brahman. Now he says that we have some mango trees in a village. हमारे गांव में mango trees हैं. Come visit us. Now he's inviting the readers. And I will give you a raw mango from one of them. Raw mango, you got it? A kachi keri. जिसको कहते हैं कच्चा आम. He says, I'm going
Yes,
to give
ma'am.
it to you. Do not eat it. Just take a bite. Now he says, don't eat it. Itna khatta hai. Don't eat it. Only take a bite. That bite will be enough. Okay. The sourness is sure to go straight to your Brahman. बिल्कुल दिमाग में इतना खट्टापन कि बिल्कुल आपके दिमाग में वो खट्टापन चढ़ जाएगा, है ना, आपको हिला के रख देगा. I once took one such fruit home and a chutney was made out of it. Okay. अब वो कहता है इसी तरह का raw mango only one I took at home and we made chutney of it. All of us ate it, all the family members, they ate that chutney, एकदम खट्टी सी चटनी सार. Okay. The cough we suffered from, और उसके बाद इतना cough हुआ because of the sourness, मतलब इतनी खट्टी है. That is the special quality of the mango that they have in the Hushali village. After that, it was when I went for the cough medicine that the doctor told me about the special quality of the fruit. और कहते हैं इतना cough हुआ कि when I went to the doctor for the cough medicine, तब डॉक्टर ने बताया कि उसकी क्या स्पेशल क्वालिटी है. why you people are suffering from cough? Because of its sourness, extreme sourness. Okay. कहते सिर्फ एक ही रॉ मैंगो लेकर गए थे, वो चटनी हमने बना ली, सबने खाई, मे बी अ लिटिल. ओके. चटनी कितनी खाई जाती है, मे बी अ टीस्पून और समथिंग लाइक दैट. लेकिन इतना ज्यादा हमने सफर करा फ्रॉम कफ, तब हमें स्पेशल क्वालिटी का पता पड़ा अबाउट द मैंगोज दैट वी हैव इन अ Hushali village. Okay, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So tomorrow we are just going to continue, beta. Right?
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you,
and,
ma'am.
take
Thank you,
care
ma'am.
and God bless
Thank
you
you,
all.
ma'am.
Take care.